everybody. Hey guys, Derek Kennedy here, over here at Arbor Hills. We're gonna go down this trail, check it out. Want to say hello?
Hello.
Here we go. Let's go walk the trail.
Ow!
Ow!
These creepy rocks.
Watch your step.
I walk slow on steps.
Okay.
Let's walk slow down your steps.
Will do.
No.
It's a good thing it's not muddy out here since it rained yet. Well, looks like there's some mud over there.
Daddy, wait for me. Where's the mud?
Here, I'll show you. Right there.
Which way?
It's all muddy. We're not going to go any further.
No, you. I will follow you, Daddy.
No, I'm following you.
No,
I'm recording you going up.
This way?
Yep.
Which way?
Just follow the trail. Oops, stay right here. Let them through.
How y'all doing?
We're having so fun here.
We're having fun? You're having fun? With your Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer nose?